So match the following. GLUT1. What is GLUT1? Glucose transport type 4. It helps in transport of glucose into the cells. During exercise also, this glucose transporter helps in transport of glucose into the muscle cells. Glucose into the muscle cells during exercise. So it also helps in transport of glucose into fat cells also. Whenever there is increase in blood glucose levels, this GLUT4 helps in transport into the cells. Insulin. What is insulin? It is a hormone, blood sugar level controlling hormone. Trypsin. What is trypsin? Trypsin is an enzyme. It is a digestive enzyme. It is an inactive form of trypsin. The inactive form of trypsin is trypsinogen. So it degrades large molecules into small molecules during digestion. So this is an enzyme. Collagen. Intercellular ground substance. It is an intercellular ground substance which support the muscle cells, bone, etc. So it gives stiffness to the skin. So the answer will be D3. This one. The answer will be first option. GLUT4 is 4. Insulin is a hormone. Trypsin is an enzyme. And types of stamens and examples. Monodal phase. What is monodal phase? Monodal phase condition is a condition in which all the stamens fuse together in a single bundle. Fuse together to form a single bundle. This is monodal phase. You can see that in chain arrows. Diadal phase. Diadal phase in which all the stamens fuse together to form two bundles. You can see that in P. Polyodal phase. Many bundles are formed by fusing all the stamens. Many bundles are formed. This condition will be seen in citrus. Epiphyllous condition. What is this? Epiphyllous condition means all the stamens are fused together to the perianth. It fuses to either petals or sepals. So epiphyllous condition is seen in lily. So what will be the option? D is 3, A is 4, B is 2. This one, first option. DNA is present in chloroplastis. Chloroplast is a semi-autonomous cell organelle. Semi-autonomous. You all know that. So it is not a linear. So it is a circular. It is not a single stranded also. It is a double stranded. So the option will be second option. Here, identify the steps involved in TCA cycle which does not involve oxidation of substrate. Read the question properly. A pucha does not involve in oxidation of substrate. Oxidation. What is oxidation? Oxidation means NAD get converts into NADH2 or FAD. In case of FAD, gets converted into FADH2. That means the hydrogens from the substrates will be accepted by this NAD or FAD and gets converted into NADH2 or FADH2. So in this step, I think in this step NAD is formed. In this step FADH2 is formed. Here isocitrate in this also NADH2 is formed, except in this step succinyl-CoA gets converted into succinic acid. This is an SLP, substrate level phosphorylation. The phosphate from the substrate will get added to GDP and now it gets converted into GTP. A GTP is formed in this step. So there is an exception. This is the only step in this TCA cycle where oxidation does not occur. And given below the two statements. In C3 plants, some oxygen binds to Rubisco and hence carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. Oxygen and carbon dioxide they will compete for getting fixed into the Rubisco enzyme. So oxygen gets fixed into the Rubisco enzyme so that carbon dioxide will not bind to it, and then the cycle takes place, C3 cycle. C4 plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration, while bundle shaped cells do not show photorespiration. In C4 plants, mesophyll cells in C4 plants. Mesophyll cells contains Rubisco enzyme, same as in C3 plants. So this Rubisco enzyme will get bind to oxygen, so photorespiration takes place. Not very little photorespiration takes place. No. 8 minutes. In C4 plant, mesophyll cells. So here in C3 plants, some oxygen binds to Rubisco and hence carbon dioxide fixation decreases. So what happens in photorespiration? These are the statements related to photorespiration. So in C3 plants, oxygen binds to Rubisco. So Rubisco enzyme it competes both with oxygen and carbon dioxide. In that competition, oxygen binds with Rubisco and photorespiration occurs in C3 plants. So here the carbon dioxide will not get fixed and will not get ATPs also, because the C3 cycle will not occur, and instead photorespiration takes place. In C4 plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration, while bundle sheath cells do not show photorespiration. In C4 plants, they are designed to avoid photorespiration, because in C4 plants there is an enzyme called PEP carboxylase. This enzyme helps this enzyme will bind only to carbon dioxide, not oxygen. So this enzyme is present in mesophyll cells. As we all know that in C4 plants, this enzyme is present in mesophyll cells, and this enzyme allows only carbon dioxide to get bind to it, not oxygen. So in C4 plants, photorespiration does not take place. In C4 plants, ATPs will be generated more. So outcome of ATPs will be more in C4 plants. The option will be 1:1, 2 is false.